Hello, my English 111 students. Welcome to January 14th, the week of January 14th. So here we go. What are we doing? Well, we are doing a few things. First of all, you're watching this video, so good job out of you. And we're going to be introducing the concepts of plagiarism. Okay, this is huge because a lot of students do not get this and they get in trouble. Then they end up getting zeros on assignments to doing poorly in classes, and they're like, I never knew. Yes, we are going to teach you everything you need to know about plagiarism. Also, in English 111, we learn about MLA formatting. So, when you're done watching this video, you're going to watch this video on plagiarism, and then you're going to watch this video on MLA formatting, and then you have a couple of quizzes based on that information. In addition, we have some readings in Odigia that will help you with this. Now, I wanted to show you specifically, so if you go back up to the top of the page, and you go to Odigia, and you click on here to open up a new window. Now again, I'm the instructor, so I see all this stuff. So you would open your course, that would be English 111. Under plagiarism, there's two things you need to do, okay? So you click on plagiarism, and then you click here to read the concepts. This is the, yes, oh my gosh, I'm so tired, I'm bored, I'm reading this, but you need to read this and need to understand this. There's intentional and accidental plagiarism. Both of them are bad. Just because you accidentally break the law, well, guess what? You still have broken the law. So you need to make sure you understand what is plagiarism, what you can do, and what you can't do. To help you with this, there is another thing that will help you. So let's go back to plagiarism. And so again, there is a video, types of plagiarism and how to avoid them. And this video is found right here. Please watch this video. It's 7 minutes, yes, but this explains, and you are going to be held accountable to know, to understand what you can do and what you can't do. Okay, and again, there is a quiz on both of these. So let's go back to our Moodle page. Go back to this week. So for this week, if I were a student, I'm like, what am I supposed to do? I would finish watching this video, then I'd watch the video on plagiarism. I'll watch the video on MLA formatting. I'd take the two quizzes, and actually before taking the quizzes, I would read the information in Odigia, because the other thing we have as far as in Odigia. Odigia, again, that's just our stuff, is that we have MLA formatting, which can be found down here, and there's a bunch of different things that will help you with MLA formatting. So there's all the information you're going to need in order to do well on these two quizzes. Please remember that everything for these English classes are due by Friday nights, and no late work is accepted. That is clearly stated right here. No late work is accepted for this class, which means you have until 11:55 p.m. on Friday, January 18th, to complete these two quizzes. Okay? Do not log in at the last minute and try to do them. If you have Wi-Fi issues or computer issues because you waited to the last minute, that is not an excuse which flies. You don't have to wait till the Friday to do it. You can do it beforehand, but these are hard, fast deadlines. If you don't take these, then you get zeros on them. All right, so that's it for this week, January 14th. Now go ahead and get her done.